All right, guys, let's give you some cool colors. Let's see what y'all want. You want some blue? Let's do some, there you go. Anywho, so this is a video of the headlights that I installed, retrofit headlights. Came out really good. Once I got them aligned, I re-put them in there or repositioned them and kind of put a couple screws to keep them angled down. That way I can actually use the screw adjustment on the bottom of the actual Vader headlight. Also have the light bar that I just installed today. It's a little 6-inch. Man, I'm saying, I gotta be the only one that has this stuff right now. It looks so good. I'll turn the light on in a second, but I mean, I literally have these little brackets that I bought. They were so cheap, and then the 6-inch light bar. This thing just looks ridiculously good at night and functional. I mean, it lights up so much of the street. So, I mean, you'll have the headlight itself shines out pretty far out. I gotta say, at least 30, 40 feet or something like that. But this area right here is kind of dim. You know, it'll illuminate, but not as much. So once I had this and I angled this down, I mean, it just lights up that whole area now. So it's perfect. I'm not going to do anything else to it. My girl's got the same thing on her bike. Let me turn the lights on and show you guys what it looks like in the daylight, and I'll kind of go through how I did it, and hopefully you guys can do it as well. It's pretty cheap. All right, guys, that tail light, man, that integrated tail light's crazy. So let me turn this. Well, I guess I'll leave it on because you want to see it. So like I said, this is the retrofitted headlight. You know, I think I got one guy on here already doing this mod. It's a super cheap mod. You get 2 of these headlights for like $90, sell one to a buddy or something like that. I just cut basically a square out of the inside. You know, you guys all see the pictures above. So also this, man, these brackets right here were, I don't even know, like $20 or less. And this light bar, I think it comes with 2. It was, I think it was on the high end. It was maybe $60, $70 or $80, something like that. But it is well worth it. I mean, the way it looks in the daytime, it does not go anywhere. This is not going anywhere at all. So it illuminates so good. I'll turn this on again for you so you can kind of see it. So like I said, it's the headlight. I mean, you got that good projector look. I mean, you're flashing off of the signs, and man, you look like a damn sports bike at fucking 125 cc's, you know. I'm gonna have some pictures I included in the forum, but I'll put the switch like right here. It's flush, man. It looks so good. You know, just something simple to cut the light bar on and off. This is a 7 mAh battery, so it had no problem charging everything up. Let's cut this thing on again. I'm over here, I can't find the switch, huh? So, but it looks good, man. It comes up really good. I mean, it's definitely going to be unique. So I'm hoping you guys do this mod, man. The normal stock headlight is trash. So this will definitely put a nice look on it. I got this flat seat because I'm 6'4", and you know, this thing, so it doesn't pop. I mean, it pops out, so I can't use the key, but it does stay down, so it does the job. I'm gonna do a full video of the bike tomorrow, just everything I've done on it so far. I still got stuff coming in that's gonna make this thing look amazing. 190 cc's coming in the winter time, so a couple more months. Same for her bike too. I can't leave her going slow, and so hope you guys like the lights, and I guess let me know what you think in the comments, and if you need any help installing it, just hit me up on the forums or on here, and we'll get you looking like me.